Well, hello there, Express Maintenance family. Eric Waymeyer here, your Executive Account Manager, and I just wanted to put together a very brief video showcasing our new hosting option. So I know we've been hosting some of you for quite some time, and the way that we've been doing that in the past is we have provided a remote terminal server, and that has allowed you guys to VPN and then remote desktop into the terminal server where you're able to access your Express Maintenance application. But recently, our data center developers decided that they wanted to offer a way to access it via the web. So now you'll have a web portal that looks similar to this, and you'll be able to enter your username and password. Of course, if you're a Chrome user, then it will automatically store your username and password, and you can log in. It will launch your remote desktop and the application if you have it open. So here's the Express Maintenance application, and it works right inside your Chrome browser. Now I just simply have to expand it, make it full view in order to take advantage of the full view of Express Maintenance. And the other thing that they wanted me to share with you is that if I'm a requester, I still go to the website, I still log in, but it's going to automatically launch Express Request for me because I'm a requester, and all I have to do is just select my name from the requester list. So that's the only difference between launching Express Maintenance and Express Request, but that way the requesters aren't having to log in multiple times. They just go to the hosted website, log in, and then select their name from the drop-down and enter their request. Now, but I just wanted to share with you guys that option is capable, so if you've ever wondered if Express Maintenance can be offered as a cloud service, the answer is yes. If you have any questions, now we don't have standardized pricing for this, but if you have any questions and want to see what that would look like to get us to host your database so that you have easier and faster connectivity, then we'd be happy to take a look at that with you. And we've provided a link in the email to schedule on my calendar time to discuss this for as long as you need. I can answer any questions that you have and provide a quote if you need one. So again, we're always trying to add more functionality and make the systems and the software easier to use, faster to use, and a better reporting tool for you guys so that you guys can continue to improve your overall asset management strategy. Again, this is Eric Waymeyer. I appreciate you guys' time and look forward to seeing you guys out there in the field. Talk to you later.